Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a look inspired by an old school movie called 13 Ghosts. I'm recreating the look of the angry princess. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. So I'm going to start by using eyelash glue because it's another form of latex and I didn't have liquid latex. So I'm just going to put that on the area where I want to create my cut and layer up some tissue on there. And then you'll see that I repeat this step a few times until it looks like a flesh wound. So as I'm layering on that glue, I'm blending it out with my finger so it blends into my skin. And then you're going to want to repeat the steps on all the other areas that you want to create a cut look. So for this one, I'm going to do my forehead, my cheek, and then a few on my neck and my chest. Now I just took any regular scissors and I'm cutting right down the middle, just like if I was cutting into flesh. And then we're going to go over it later on with setting powder, just so that way it takes away the shine. So after we've set it with setting powder, I'm just gonna go inside each cut with the red eyeshadow. For this part, I just found a cheap white Maybelline concealer and I'm using that to make my face really pale. And I broke the stick. Anyways, so I changed my shirt and after that it was really dry. So I put some oil on this to make it creamier and make it be able to blend into my skin again. And don't worry guys, I'm not naked, I'm wearing a tube top. So now I'm going to set the whole thing with setting powder, just so that way it looks more white and more matte. So now I'm setting my eyelids with a little bit of a red pigment, just so that way it takes away the creasing and I can transition into like a brownish dark color as if my eyes were like decaying. Now as I'm applying this eyeshadow, I'm not doing it perfect, I'm just kind of scribbling around my eyes because I'm supposed to look dead. So I'm going to take a brown and then go into a black and darken it up. Now my eyebrows kind of started to disappear, so I'm just going to go over them with the brown eyeshadow. And once again, I'm not doing this perfect. They're not supposed to look like they're clean and cut. They're just eyebrows. So since my face is looking a little bit flat from all this white, I'm doing another transition into contouring on my cheekbones. Just that way it looks like I have a face shape. So I'm doing a reddish shade. Then I'm going to go in again with the darker shade and some black. Then I'm going to use an eyeliner to darken my eyes a little bit more to add to the effect of pretty much having no eyeballs or either just having demon eyes. I'm also going to blend this eyeliner into the darkness underneath my eyes. And some mascara since there still might be setting powder or white makeup on my eyelashes. Now in the movie she does have red lips on. It's almost like in her past life she had red lipstick and then she died and it was really smeared because she's supposed to be really pretty and even as pretty in death as she was in life. So it's like we were wearing lipstick and it got smeared off. So before the fake blood I added a dark eyeshadow into the cuts to make it look darker. And some fake blood and the look is complete. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it. Make sure you leave me feedback in the comments below. Also in the movie her hair is wet because she's in the bathtub, so if you want you can get a spray and like turn your hair red, dye your hair red, maybe your hair is red, and that's it. So that is all today guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.